In this video, I'll show you how to install the GTA IV Assassination Mod and how to play Hitman-style side missions step by step. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the start download option and download this script hook and ASI loader. And check my video description for the second link. Select the download option and wait for 10 seconds and select the download now option. After download done, right click on this ASI loader and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. No stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your GTA 4 game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the ASI loader, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open this assassination mod, drag and drop this DLL inside the scripts folder, replace the file in the destination, launch the game. Once you are in game, go near to the phone booth and press E key in your keyboard. And now navigate to that location, assassination area. As you can see, this assassin mission requires a motorcycle to begin. Find one and come back. To find the motorcycle, I use the cheats. Once you in the motorcycle, stop the vehicle and you will get a call with the target's location. The client wants you to kill the target with the melee weapon. Everything as the instruction you need to follow. Once you completed the mission, as you can see, you gain the dollars, total $29,100. And that's how the mission works. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.